Hey, what's up? It's Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. I want to share with you today 3 reasons why I think extended stay rentals are so much better than normal Airbnbs. Way better than what I call shorts. And the first reason is because of insurance. You know, if you call your insurance agent up and say, Kelly, I want to do Airbnb, she'll probably say, oh, I can't help you. You need to talk to a specialist like Prosper.com or someone like that. But if you call her up and say, hey, Kelly, I want to do month-to-month rentals, furnished rentals, she'll say, oh, all right, we got plenty of policies, we got plenty of carriers for you, and so on and so forth, because they know how to handle month-to-month rentals. And that's what you do as an extended stay person. You furnish a rental and you operate it for months at a time. Now, the second reason why I think extended stay rentals, these plus 30-day rentals, is way better than normal Airbnb is because there's less competition. You know, if you manage your calendar in a way that leaves your dates open, you'll catch the long-term bookings. But if you take a booking every 2 weeks or on weekends, you'll put yourself out of the race. So lots of people manage their calendars and they'll take whatever fits an opening, but they'll never be in the extended stay game. So it's a discipline in calendar management, and that makes it way less competition, so you can get better rates because you don't have the competition. The third reason why I think extended stay rentals is so much better than normal Airbnb is because you don't need special licensing. Now, lots of cities have ordinances now, and they're making people pay for different taxes for stays less than 30 days. These are lodging taxes, just like a regular hotel. And there's paperwork associated with it and business licenses and things like that. With doing extended stays, month-to-month rentals, you don't have to worry about any of that. You just have to fill out the regular paperwork that a normal landlord would fill out, and you're up and going. So less paperwork, less competition, less insurance issues. All for those reasons, I think hands down, if you can make the same profit without those negatives, extended stay rentals is the way to go. Now, this is the first of a series. I'm gonna add a link to where you can catch the second part, and I'll catch you there.